Hello everyone. Welcome to a new demo of GrizzlyAPI. In this demo, we will show you how you can get started and create a secured production-ready microservice in 5 minutes without writing a single line of code. So, let's start by creating a free account using Sign Up page. Fill all requirement fields, activate your account with received email, and you will be ready for your first microservice with GrizzlyAPI. Once the account is activated, you can sign in by providing username and password. Welcome to GrizzlyAPI dashboard. This is the analytics page to show how much data used by your account and some other interesting metrics. So let's create our new microservice with free Mongo database. As we can see, the microservice is created by default with an out-of-the-box secured layer using JWT and JWS, conformed to OAuth2. A super admin with default username, password, and roles. A security documentation with how to for curl and web application based on Angular. An authentication group with predefined API endpoints to manage security. To notice, you can manage your security configuration dynamically without downtime. You can also manage versions, import, and export your microservice with your team. In next demo, we will show you how we can add API endpoints to implement your functional microservice. But for this starter demo, that's enough to get started and publish it. So, let's share it in one click. Click Swagger and then publish. Every microservice in GrizzlyAPI has two main URLs, the Open API, supposed to shared only with trusted users and team, and the runtime URL to configured in web application like Angular and mobile app like Android or iOS. So let's open Swagger Inspector to test and validate before share it with a team. We can start by executing sign-in with default user admin to get a valid JWT token in order to execute the other secured endpoints like all users. Well done! Let's start by sharing our microservice with the front-end team and discuss their need in terms of API endpoint. GrizzlyAPI provides an open-source Angular starter, let's used in StackBlitz. All we need to do is to change the GrizzlyAPI URL to target our microservice. Changing the Grizzly URL environment variable and reload the page. The Grizzly Starter App is generated with Angular CLI to demonstrate how we can use Grizzly as backend as a service without learn any new SDK. The starter has two pages once the user is authenticated, the administration page only for administrator and profile page to update user informations. You can register as a new user and waiting for an activation from your administrator. And finally you can go back to Grizzly and execute the same API used by Angular app to compare results. This is Grizzly team. Thank you for your attention. Please feel free to contact us if you need any further information. Bye bye.